The objective of today's presentation is to show you and point out a company made in America. That company is Pfizer. Pfizer is an American multinational pharmaceutical corporation headquartered in Manhattan, New York City. The name of the company commemorates its co-founder, Charles Pfizer. Pfizer develops and produces medicines and vaccines for immunology, oncology, cardiology, endocrinology, and neurology. Pfizer's founders, Mr. Charles Pfizer and Mr. Charles F. Earhart, two cousins who immigrated to the United States from Louisburg, Germany in 1848. Pfizer's most recent milestones. On December 11, 2020, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration issued the first Emergency Use Authorization (EUA) for a vaccine for the prevention of coronavirus disease 2019, caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 in individuals 16 years of age and older. The Emergency Use Authorization allows the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine to be distributed in the U.S. The FDA has determined that Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine has met the statutory criteria for issuance of an EUA. The totality of the available data provides clear evidence that Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine may be effective in preventing COVID-19. Up to date, on May 18 of this year, half of adult Americans have now been fully vaccinated against COVID-19, the Biden administration said. Here you have a presentation of Pfizer's revenue, profits, assets, and number of employees. These are the headquarters in Manhattan, New York City. This concludes the presentation. Thank you for watching.